Welcome to our channel, where we dive into fascinating insights about health and well-being using the wonders of nature and simple solutions that can transform your life. Today, we're about to reveal a secret that might just change the way you think about regaining strength, specifically, leg strength, in just 12 hours. Now, before you dismiss this as another fleeting promise, let me take you on a journey into the science, the history, and the unexpected magic behind one incredibly simple food that might be the key to unlocking a rapid recovery. Imagine waking up one morning, feeling weak in your legs, unable to enjoy a walk in the park or a game of catch with your kids. What if I told you that something as basic as a humble ingredient, often overlooked in our busy lives, could potentially help you regain strength in your legs in a remarkably short period? It sounds almost too good to be true, yet countless individuals have shared their surprising stories of recovery, stories that you're about to hear. Before we dive into the depths of this fascinating subject, I want you to visualize the possibility of feeling revitalized, of experiencing a newfound energy that propels you through your day. Consider that simple meal you might have taken for granted, a meal that not only nourishes your body but also kickstarts your system in ways you never imagined. This isn't about a miracle cure, nor is it a shortcut that replaces proper medical treatment. It's about harnessing the innate power of nature to support your body's natural healing process. In today's video, we're going to explore the profound impact of a specific food item that has been cherished across centuries. Its roots trace back to ancient civilizations, revered for its restorative properties and celebrated as a vital component in maintaining strength and vitality. You'll learn about its rich history, the science behind its potent effects, and, most importantly, how it can be incorporated into your daily routine to support a rapid recovery in leg strength. As you settle in, I invite you to keep an open mind, because what you're about to learn might surprise you with its simplicity and effectiveness. The food in question is none other than the unassuming yet incredibly powerful beetroot. Yes, the vibrant red beet is much more than a colorful addition to your plate. It has long been admired for its ability to enhance blood flow and boost stamina, thanks largely to its high concentration of nitrates. Now, before you rush to your local grocery store, allow me to explain how this natural powerhouse works its magic in your body. Beetroot is a treasure trove of nutrients, including essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. One of the most compelling benefits of consuming beetroot lies in its ability to enhance nitric oxide production in the body. Nitric oxide is a molecule that plays a crucial role in vasodilation. Essentially, it helps to widen your blood vessels, allowing more blood to flow through your muscles. For anyone struggling with weak leg muscles, this increased blood flow means that oxygen and vital nutrients are delivered more efficiently to the tissues that need them most. Imagine your muscles being nourished and revitalized in a way that might just give you the boost you need to conquer your day. I want you to pause and consider this. What if the secret to regaining your strength doesn't lie in complex supplements or expensive therapies, but in something as accessible and affordable as beetroot? It's an idea that challenges conventional wisdom and opens the door to a world where nature's simplicity becomes the foundation of modern wellness. This isn't a magic potion, but rather a scientifically supported strategy that harnesses the natural properties of this vibrant root vegetable. Let's delve into the science a bit deeper. When you consume beetroot, your body converts the natural nitrates into nitric oxide through a series of biochemical reactions. This process, though it might sound technical, is incredibly efficient and happens relatively quickly, often within just a few hours. As your blood vessels expand, the increased blood flow not only delivers oxygen more effectively but also helps to flush out metabolic waste products from your muscles. For individuals who have experienced leg weakness or fatigue, this process can be akin to hitting the reset button, allowing your muscles to recover more swiftly than you might have imagined. Now, you might be wondering how this translates into a tangible improvement in leg strength within a 12-hour window. Here's where the narrative gets even more intriguing. Imagine a scenario where someone wakes up after a restless night, their legs heavy and unresponsive. They decide to incorporate beetroot into their breakfast, a vibrant beetroot smoothie or perhaps a carefully crafted beetroot salad. Within the next several hours, as their body metabolizes the beetroot, the enhanced blood flow begins to work its magic. The muscles, now receiving a more robust supply of oxygen and nutrients, start to rejuvenate. The individual notices that by midday, there is a remarkable change, a sense of lightness, an increase in energy, and an almost imperceptible but crucial improvement in the ability to stand, walk, or even perform everyday activities. I know this might sound almost too optimistic, but the evidence is supported by a growing body of research that underscores the benefits of beetroot in enhancing physical performance and reducing fatigue. In fact, athletes around the world have incorporated beetroot juice into their pre-competition routines to give themselves a competitive edge. They rely on this natural booster to maximize endurance and delay the onset of muscle fatigue, an approach that might just be the inspiration you need to reclaim your own vitality. At this point, I want to invite you to consider the broader implications of what we're discussing. This isn't just about beetroot or leg strength, it's about a philosophy of embracing the simplicity and efficacy of natural foods. In a world inundated with synthetic supplements and elaborate diets, the humble beetroot stands as a testament to the power of nature's design. Its benefits are not confined to a single aspect of health but extend to overall wellness, supporting cardiovascular health, boosting energy levels, and even contributing to cognitive function. When you integrate this food into your lifestyle, you're not just targeting leg strength, you're nurturing your body as a whole. Now, let's address some common questions and misconceptions. One question that often arises is, can one really see noticeable results in just 12 hours? While individual experiences can vary, many have reported feeling a significant difference in energy levels and muscle function within half a day of consuming beetroot. The rapid conversion of nitrates to nitric oxide plays a key role in this swift improvement. Additionally, the antioxidants present in beetroot help to mitigate oxidative stress, a factor that can impede muscle recovery and overall performance. In essence, beetroot works on multiple fronts. Its immediate effects are felt in improved blood circulation, and its longer-term benefits contribute to sustained muscle health. Let's take a moment to explore another fascinating facet of this food story. Throughout history, beetroot has been used in various cultures for its medicinal properties. Ancient remedies from the Mediterranean region and Eastern Europe often featured beetroot as a critical ingredient for treating ailments related to poor circulation and fatigue. The wisdom passed down through generations underscores a simple yet powerful message. Nature provides us with the tools we need to heal, often in the most unassuming forms. This historical perspective adds another layer of intrigue to our modern understanding of beetroot's benefits. It's as if we are reconnecting with an age-old secret that modern science is only now beginning to fully appreciate. While the science and history are compelling, the practical application is what truly makes this information so powerful. Picture yourself starting the day with a delicious, nutrient-packed beetroot smoothie. The vibrant color is not just visually appealing, it's a visual reminder of the energy and vitality you're about to infuse into your body. As you blend the beetroot with complementary ingredients, perhaps a hint of ginger for an extra kick, a splash of lemon for brightness, and a dash of honey for natural sweetness, you're creating more than just a beverage, you're crafting a potent elixir designed to support your recovery and revitalize your muscles. As the morning progresses, you might begin to notice subtle changes. Perhaps your legs, which felt heavy and unresponsive upon waking, start to feel lighter. The stiffness begins to dissipate, replaced by a gentle warmth that signals improved circulation. It's as though your body is waking up and saying, "I'm ready to move, I'm ready to take on the day." This transformation is not a mere coincidence. It's a testament to the remarkable synergy between natural food components and your body's innate healing mechanisms. I want to pause here and emphasize that this journey is as much about self-care as it is about the specific food we're discussing. In our fast-paced lives, we often neglect the simple rituals that nourish both body and soul. By incorporating a mindful approach to your diet, where each meal is an opportunity to heal and rejuvenate, you're not only targeting a specific issue like leg weakness, but you're also investing in your overall well-being. This perspective can be transformative, empowering you to make choices that support long-term health and vitality. Before we move forward, I encourage you to take a moment to reflect on your own health journey. Have you ever felt that a single change, a new habit, a different food, a moment of mindful eating, had the potential to unlock a new level of energy? Today, I invite you to consider that possibility with beetroot. Its benefits, backed by both science and centuries of traditional use, offer a unique opportunity to reclaim your strength in a natural and accessible way. Now, let's address another crucial aspect: how to integrate beetroot into your daily routine effectively. The key is consistency and balance. While a single serving may provide a temporary boost, making beetroot a regular part of your diet can lead to cumulative benefits over time. Imagine starting your day with a nutrient-dense smoothie, enjoying a colorful beetroot salad at lunch, or even sipping on a concentrated beetroot juice in the afternoon. Each of these moments is a deliberate act of self-care, reinforcing your commitment to health and vitality. By weaving beetroot into your daily meals, you're setting the stage for both immediate improvements and long-term benefits, creating a harmonious balance that supports your body's natural rhythms. For those of you who are skeptical or simply curious about trying this approach, I want to share a personal story that might resonate with you. A while ago, I encountered an individual who had struggled with chronic leg fatigue due to long hours of sedentary work and a lack of physical activity. They decided to experiment with incorporating beetroot into their daily diet after learning about its remarkable properties. Within just a matter of hours on the first day, they reported feeling a noticeable difference. The stiffness in their legs lessened, and a newfound energy began to infuse their movements. Over the following days, as beetroot became a staple in their meals, their overall endurance improved, and tasks that once felt daunting became more manageable. This real-life account is not an isolated incident but rather one example of the many stories that affirm beetroot's potential as a natural ally in enhancing physical strength and vitality. As we near the conclusion of our exploration, I want to emphasize that while beetroot is a promising natural remedy, it's important to approach any health strategy with a balanced perspective. If you have underlying medical conditions or are on medication, I recommend consulting with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes. This advice is not meant to dissuade you but to ensure that your journey toward better health is safe and well-informed. The magic of beetroot is best experienced as part of a comprehensive approach to wellness that includes balanced nutrition, regular physical activity, and mindful living. Imagine the transformative power of simple changes, a change that could elevate your energy, restore your leg strength, and infuse your life with a renewed sense of vitality. Picture the joy of moving freely, of feeling light on your feet, and of embracing each day with the confidence that comes from nurturing your body with natural, wholesome foods. This vision is not a distant dream, it's a possibility that lies within reach, waiting to be unlocked by the timeless wisdom of nature. In closing, I invite you to embark on this journey with an open heart and an adventurous spirit. The path to regaining leg strength, to experiencing a resurgence of energy, and to embracing a healthier lifestyle may be simpler than you ever imagined. All it takes is the willingness to trust in nature's power, to experiment with new habits, and to appreciate the profound impact that a single food can have on your life. Let this be your moment of discovery, a moment where you redefine what's possible and step into a future where every step is taken with strength and confidence. Thank you for joining me on this deep dive into the wonders of beetroot and its potential to help you regain leg strength in just 12 hours. If you found this video insightful, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your stories and feedback inspire us to continue exploring the fascinating intersection of natural foods and human health. Stay curious, stay healthy, and remember, sometimes, the simplest solutions can lead to the most extraordinary transformations.